Oh.
Alright, mate. How was the surf?
Man, it was so bad,
Yeah.
Kept going all the time.
Oh shit, spewing.
How's it going then?
I'm doing some psychology studying. Hey, you know what? It says in this sports psychology book that athletes use the imagery to improve their sport performance. Maybe you should try imagine yourself taking off a beautiful wave and just visualize all your movements before you go out tomorrow. It might help.
What do you mean?
Oh yeah, like you go through all the movements when you're paddling into the wave, you're standing up, and you rehearsal it over and over in your head. Maybe it will help you.
Oh yeah.
Hey, how was the surf?
Thank you, come again.
Oh, hi mate, how's it going? How was the surf?
Couldn't stand up, mate. Fucking hard as fuck.
Hey,
Yeah,
how's
mate.
the surf?
Fuck, pretty shit.